What's the meaning of clock speed? Clock speed. Clock speed.
Clock speed. Clock speed. Clock speed refers to the rate at which a processor's clock circuitry sends pulses. These pulses synchronize the multiple actions of the processor, allowing it to execute instructions efficiently. The higher the clock speed, the more instructions the processor can execute in a given amount of time. However, clock speed is not the only factor in determining a processor's performance. Other factors such as the number of cores, cache size, and architecture also play a role. Ultimately, a balance of these factors is needed to achieve optimal performance for a given task.